Alright, so this video is to show how to set up Smartboard to connect to online meeting apps such as Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom meetings. So of course you can use you can install Zoom meeting apps or Teams or Google Meet apps here. But if you want to, for example, joining the meeting apps, and at the same time you want to annotate a lot, so using the Smartboard itself to join the meeting apps might not be very practical because the Smartboard itself, it has to process a lot. So for example, if we use a Zoom meeting or Teams meeting and we use the share screen function, we can achieve that, but maybe from the other participants, they might not see a very smooth image. So because the limitation of the hardware, so the Smartboard itself might not be able to carry so much multitasking. So normally I would recommend to set up the online meeting from another laptop. So you can see the laptop itself, it handles the online meeting, so you can monitor the other participants from this laptop. So this Smartboard will be focusing on opening files, drawing, everything. So it works better this way. So how do we obtain the screen mirror this one to plug in to your laptop for your online meeting? So we can achieve that by connecting HDMI cable from the HDMI out. So the exact image will be exported out via HDMI cable. So another accessory that we need to use is the USB video capture card. So this is an example of the video capture. So this device will process the HDMI image, and by plugging in this into your laptop USB 3.0 port, so it should receive the HDMI image from this HDMI cable. So after plugging in, you should be able to see. So for example, this one is a Zoom meeting. So from the video, okay, so these are all the cameras that connected to this laptop. So there's a built-in camera where you can see, and another virtual camera. So and the USB video is this capture card. So it capture this image and plug in USB, and it appears here. So let's try to start the video. Okay, so you can see the exact same image. So for example, if now I'm doing writing, so you can see the thing is mirrored there. So you can easily operate everything here, open files, and you start to annotate. So your participants from the online meeting apps can see very smoothly, instead of you open the meeting apps from the Smartboard itself. So it might overload the hardware. So by splitting, so the laptop will do the online meeting tasks. So from here you can do everything freely, as if there's no any online meeting undergoing. So it's like you conducting a physical meeting or physical class. And the online participants can see everything from this laptop. So okay, For example, we open a PDF file. So by using the Smartboard built-in function, the pen function, so they can see the exact same thing over there. Okay, so this is the way to set up your Smartboard to the online participants, so that physical meetings, offline meetings where the participant in front of here can see everything, and at the same time, if you want to make this live, you can use this method. Okay, so the participants over the online on the online meeting, they can see the exact same image from all the participants attended physically. So besides that, if you have like extra, if you like want some preview of a third angle camera from a third person view, so by achieving that, maybe you need another camera, and for the software, maybe you need to use software like OBS Studio, so you can redesign your camera to appear in the corner, and the full screen, the full image will display the exact same image from the Smartboard. So for simple methods, using this way, so there's no third angle view, so third person view. So if you want to a third person view, you need using software like OBS Studio. So this is the way to set up.